friends! Today we're making mini school supplies.
Let's get to this! Special delivery for Sue! Susan! It looks like this is for you!
Ooh, I wonder what it is. Looks really interesting.
Are you gonna open it or what?
Sure, just give me a minute. To open that mystery box, I'm gonna need a cutter. And I want to make it in the shape of my favorite veggie. Can you guess what it is? Of course, it's a carrot! Now let's cut it out. And this is what we've got! We also need a piece like this.
Sue, how do you like my new tie?
Careful, Sammy. I know that this is just a paper blade, but still. This is so exciting! It's like my birthday!
Did someone say birthday? Let's party! Yay!
No, Sam. I will just open the box. I really wonder what's inside. Oh, wow. Look, it's a face mask! And I can show you how to make one. First, let's take the regular-sized mask. Wait, did someone wear it before?
It's a long story, Sue. Roach has been eating garlic again.
That's what the smell is. Haha. Well, at least he'll be safe from vampires. Our mask needs some rubber bands. You don't want it to fall off your face suddenly. So, a little bit of magic and it's all done. You need a face mask in crowded places like school, as well as a notebook to write in. We're going to need lots of pages to make one. Let's speed this up. That's more like it. Now I will fold the paper. Watch carefully. That's pretty simple, huh?
I told Roger about those vampires. He was so scared he threw a bulb of garlic at me.
Okay, no more messing with Roger. Why don't you help me? There is so much to do today.
I suppose I could always work on my origami skills.
That's the spirit, Sam.
It will take some time, though. I'll be right back, Sue.
And I'll take care of the cover. Now we can stick everything together. Hey, Sammy, what are you doing back there?
I'm providing you with moral support. Does that count as me helping? And what are you doing, Susan?
Adding the last touches to this tiny notebook. It will look even better like that. Also, I want to close it securely to keep the notes safe. And we can't forget about cute decor. Haha.
Is that me? I love it, Sue, but we have more stuff to do. So stop wasting time.
Ooh, a clipboard. This will come in handy. This piece is a good start, but something's missing. Ah, I know. A piece of paper.
Not just any paper, but pink paper.
Sam, I'm busy here. We need something to write on and a clip to hold it. All done. That was pretty easy. You go here. Ooh, look! It's a cutting board. We always use such a board for crafts. One more line and it's done.
Show me the result. Whoa, you did great. Ooh, what's that?
Hey, wait! I didn't finish the unboxing. Where did he put that box? Ah, found it! We've got notepads and a clipboard, but we'll need something to write with too, right? Oh, these bright markers are so cute! I want to test one of them! By the way, friends, I can show you how to make these markers. Wanna see?
Finally! I thought you would never ask! Come closer to your screens!
I'll start with the pink marker.
Sue! I don't want to act like Captain Obvious, but we need to indicate the name of the color somehow!
Good thinking, Sammy. Here we go. And we're done!
Don't you think something is missing from that pink marker?
Huh? What do you mean?
Oh, come on! It's the cap! How could you forget?
Oh, you're right. Thanks, Sam. That should do it. This baggie is too big. Let's shrink it. Great. Now we have a place to store our tiny markers. Here comes the blue one. And here's the green one. We've got the full set. We are doing great here, right? Oh, I see something interesting. Things are about to get sticky with this mini tape.
Whoa! Does it work? Let me see. I will test it and you can show how to craft it.
Okay, I'll start with the tape holder. Now, we need to make these pieces brighter.
Ugh. This tape is so long. Look, it goes on and on.
Be careful there, Sammy. Don't get into trouble.
Come on! It's just tape. What's the worst that can happen? Ouch!
Huh? What's going on over there?
Mayday! Mayday! It got me, Sue!
It's just a tape, no? I'm sure you can deal with it. Well, check this out. Let's add the actual tape inside, and it's done. There we go. It looks perfect to me.
Let me see. Sue! Sue! Where are you?
Ooh, what is this?
Whoa, it looks cool. Maybe it's the untold treasure or something. Come on, Sue! Open it up!
I'm sorry, Sammy, but I think it's just a pencil case.
Oh well. Anyway, a pencil case is fine too.
Did you guys know that these wooden skewers will make perfect pencils? Check it out! And now let's assemble a case for them. This will prevent all our pencils from falling out and getting lost.
Sue, I was looking for candy behind the couch and I found a treasure map. Wanna see it?
Sammy, you're not supposed to eat candy before dinner.
That's irrelevant. With that treasure, I'll be able to buy all the stinky socks I want.
Oh, Sam.
Ow! There was no treasure. It just led me to Roger's smelly sock drawer.
Oh, don't be so upset, Sammy. Look at this. Our tiny pencil case turned out just perfect. Let me just secure everything safely here. Uh-huh. Well, we did it. Now let's make another thing. These will be handy sticky notes. We only need to add some glue to the side like this.
This is more fun than any treasure hunt! Hey, that's mine!
Oh, please, Sammy. Sharing's good, and these beads are just what I need. This will be a really cool pen. Voila! When you're making crafts, glue might really come in handy.
Or in our case, mini glue. Ouch!
Want to help?
I'm in a supervising role just now. You're doing great on your own.
Thanks for the encouragement. So, we need a straw. And some help from a regular-sized glue stick.
Huh, looks quite easy. Anyone can do that.
You're right, Sammy. You should just be careful with small stuff. This goes here. And this goes on top. Great!
That was fast, Sue. Give it to me now. I'm gonna go glue something awesome.
Next up, we need scissors. We'll take the face mask again. Or rather, a part of it. I will cut this strip in two.
Whee! I'm right on time.
You are, Sam. I have a trick for you.
Wow, amazing.
Huh, I'm glad you're so easy to impress. Now watch this. Our scissors need the second half. And just like that, it's done. I could also use this piece of plastic. Friends, try and guess what it's gonna be.
No way! That's just what I had in mind. And I will also need a pencil.
I'm already on it, Sammy.
Hey, Sue. How do you think I should wear it better? Maybe like this? Check this out. It's very trendy.
Huh. Sammy, you look sharp, just like this pencil. Oh, I almost forgot about the eraser. We'll totally need it. Let's just put it in a paper case. Like this. Easy peasy and also neat. And that's it. Let's check everything out once more. lot of crafts today.
Let's put them here now.
No, Sammy. You need to go to school already, so you will need all those supplies.
Do I have to? Well, I guess we'll see you next time. Subscribe and give a like, fellas.
Bye-bye, everyone.